talking to people with the coolest accents ever.
There was a lot of interesting people I met in the committee.
Interacting with delegates from all over the world.
That was the first time I was addressing such a huge gathering.
Life-changing experience.
For us, NSITian, it's like a 3-month project.
You're mentally rating this hot Brazilian girl 10 on 10.
This was the first time I was exposed to this crowd of people.
Possibly the best days of my life in college. The exposure, the experience that you get out there is something completely different.
The stakes were quite high. You were not only representing your college but also India.
Once you go there, it teaches you to think on your feet.
So I think it just helps you polish your own skills when you compete. When you go up against people who are just that good.
One very, very significant opportunity. The amount of preparation we went through beforehand, just going through that intense training and then going up on stage and speaking.
HM1 is very, very collaborative. You have to collaborate with participants from all over the world.
And you have to be that perfect combination of like all those qualities of a good leader.
There were some very, very competitive personalities all around me.
The debating level, it's impeccable.
So HM1 is during, like it coincides with Valentine's Day, and Valentine's Day is really huge in US.
It was love for everyone else. It was both us. HMUN is the oldest MUN in the world.
You're traveling on your own when you're with a team of only your peers and not adults alongside.
It's more interesting than other people simply because I actually hadn't debated at all in my school time.
So I think I hit on like 2 girls. Yeah, I'm successful.
The experience of going out with your friends in your first year, all by yourself, we just did our best. We had a lot of fun.
I take back international stands, I take back international exposure.
But we had complete freedom out there.
In HMUN, you have to put yourself out there. You have to be brilliant oriented.
You got to tackle a lot of situations by yourself. It makes you more reliant.
They learned so much in that brief amount of time, which includes training as well as the actual international conference. The very experience that I got out there and the very idea of interacting with delegates from an international forum, the idea of debating at Harvard University, and the idea of going to Boston and representing my college at an international level, the amount of prestige involved with HMUN completely humbles you.
Well, there have been many actually.
I think it's the bond that we developed over the training period and it still stays.
We were just roaming around on the streets of Times Square in the freezy, icy cold, and I think that was the best experience out there.
I was getting late, so I took off my heels in -10 degrees, bare feet. I ran 4 blocks from across, and there were cab drivers screaming, "What is this girl doing? She's gonna die!" And I got these crazy blisters, but I reached over there.
One unforgettable movie. I think that'll have to be the huge inter-delegation snow fight we had on our second day of the trip. There was a lot of people outside the hotel. There was little snowballs. It was absolutely insane.
My moderator and I, we danced on like Bollywood song "Badtameez Dil Badtameez." The entire committee had gone nuts. They were hooting, they were shouting, and it is like just an unforgettable.
So we visited New York apart from going to Boston, and that was an amazing experience. Going with friends to a place like New York, staying at Times Square, visiting all those cool places that you've only seen in movies. It was really, really good.
We went to Hard Rock and we ordered everything on the menu because we were really hungry. We wanted, like that was our first meal in New York. But then we spent like $30 per day.
At 4 AM at night, we were circling the NYPD office again and again, each time looking at the same poster of David Beckham and like loving it. Harvard National Model United Nations.
Harvard National Model United Nations.
Harvard National Model United Nations was the best experience of my life. The best experience of my life. The best experience of my life.
The best experience of my life.